Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about how ASP.NET 7 or ASP.NET Core 7 works in multi-environment. So my name is Kaushik Chowdhury, and if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. So without mincing words, let me switch over to Visual Studio 2022, the current version, which is 17.4.1, that supports ASP.NET 7. Now here I have created a multi-environment demo solution, pre-configured solution, which has got two projects, which is now getting loaded. So this solution contains two projects. One is multi-environment demo and another is MVC multi-environment. So this project is a Razor Pages project and this is a MVC model view controller project, because you can see the pages. This is the Razor Pages and with program.cs file, and this is the content root, and this is the MVC multi-environment project, which has got this controller model views, etc. All right, so my contention is that I'm going to talk about how it supports or how you can switch over basically from a development to, say, a testing environment like staging or a production environment. So let's see. I have this is the startup project now, MVC multi-environment. So you can see here MVC multi-environment, and this is IIS Express. So you can run the IIS Express by clicking this button, and this project will run. But what I want to talk today is if you click on this debug, if you click on this general, you can see this general tab says the management of launch profiles. Now this is the launch profile has moved to a dedicated dialog, but it may be accessed via the link below. So let's click on this open debug launch profiles UI. So once you open this, you'll find this HTTP, HTTPS and IIS Express. And here you can see, if you look into HTTP, I'll come back to what is this HTTP and HTTPS in a second. So environment variables are ASP.NET Core _ environment, and the value is development. And similarly for HTTPS, also it is set to nothing. Okay, so I've deleted intentionally. I will tell you why. Because the reason that if it is not set ASP.NET Core _ environment, then it is taken to be as production environment, not development. And IIS Express, it is also set as development environment. Now what these values are, this is IIS Express now, and if you expand this HTTP and HTTPS, so let's see what this HTTP and HTTPS are. So if you open this folder, properties, it's already open for you, launch settings.json, that will tell you everything. So this is IIS settings, Windows authentication false, and IIS Express application URL is this HTTP localhost : this port number, and SSL port is 44394, that is HTTPS : localhost : 44394 for secured socket layer. However, there are two other profiles, HTTP profile and command name is project, which is actually basically giving rise to this HTTP, and there's another profile HTTPS. Now here you can see that the environment variables are both declared as development, and also IIS Express. A command name is IIS Express, which is this command name IIS Express, and here command name is project, means this is either HTTP or HTTPS. So either you can change the environment from one to the other. Development, you can just mix and match. You can create a production environment to this development environment. You can reassign to production or staging, or you can reassign any of these to any of the environment that you'd like to. Now the thing is, supposing, let me this one is development, and IIS Express is also development. So let me change it to production. And then kill this application, and then let's rebuild this. And now this is showing the application, which is not what I want to show you, but I would like to show you the properties again. So right click and properties, and then if you click on this debug tab, and then you click on this open debug launch profiles, you'll see for IIS it is set to production, and these two are still development. And if I, by default, if ASP.NET Core environment variable is not set, or if it is not found, then it is taken to base production. So after deleting that value of the ASP.NET Core environment, removing, so if I close this window, launch profiles, and then run this HTTP, click on, select the HTTP and run through HTTP by clicking the green icon, then you'll see what I'm saying. So this is the application, browser has come, the application is running. But what I'm interested in showing you, this hosting environment is production. So my friends, here I have demonstrated how you can probably find out the environment variable ASP.NET Core underscore environment, and how you can switch between one environment to the other. Lastly, I would like to show that how you can actually set one of the environments to staging also. It's just exactly the same way. So let's open the debug launch profile and see, this one was, there's no variable set, environment variable set. So HTTP ended up into opening as production environment, and HTTPS as development, IIS Express as also is production. Okay, so if you wish to check for this, let me actually, rather than cancelling or removing this, put it as production. Okay, no, sorry, not production, but staging, or you can give it any name for that matter, doesn't matter. So staging, and then close this window and HTTPS. Let's put it to HTTPS, select HTTPS and click on this icon. This is the internal Kestrel server, that's what they say, built-in server that is running. Now this console window will come, and then this window will say, see, hosting environment is staging. So it's, you can juggle around. So it does support multiple environment, as you have successfully demonstrated by me. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends, and also put your valuable comments.